Hello everyone, welcome to the maths video, class 6th. We have started revision, lesson number 11, ratio. Okay, so we have studied it, but just a little bit will have revision. So what is ratio? Ratio is the method of comparison of two quantities or things, numbers or things by dividing one quantity by the other. It is called ratio. So it is comparison of any two quantities. And how we compare them? By dividing it. Okay, so now here x by 5, x by y is equal to 4 by 7. It represents ratio of x is to y, that is 4 is to 7, or a is to b, or a to b, x to y or x is to y, a to b or a is to b. So x upon y can be written as x colon y. So x is to y, not y is to x. Means you can write only x is this. You can write only x is to y, not y is to x. That will be wrong. 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 1. Correct? 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 1. Alright. So a by b is equal to a is to b or a to b. This is called colon. This is symbol for ratio, not b is to a. Means a by b is equal to a is to b only, not b is to a. So ratio is x is to y is read as x to y or x is to y. P is to q read as p to q or p is to q. X is to y can be written as x upon y. We know that ratio is comparison by dividing. So x is to y can be written as x upon y. Here both quantities should be of same kind. Should be of same kind means x and y. If x is length, then y should also. Means the quantities which we are comparing should be of same unit. You cannot say that it's not that one side you are comparing length and other weight. So that you cannot compare that, right? You cannot compare nursery child with 10 standard child. You have to compare nursery child with nursery child only, 10 standard child with 10 standard child only. Okay, so units should be same. For example, you can compare length with length only. You cannot compare length with breadth. You can compare weight with weight. Alright. Height with height. And units also should be same. Okay. So we'll see here. Both quantities should have same units. X upon y means 12 meter upon 10 kilometer. It's wrong because one is in meter, other is in kilometer. So what you have to do when you are comparing these different quantities, see that you make it one unit. Means meter should be converted into kilometer or kilometer should be converted into meter. Means when you are comparing two quantities, it should be of the same unit. Meter, meter, okay. Kilometer, kilometer, alright. Centimeter, centimeter, alright. Centimeter, meter, wrong. Alright. Meter, kilometer, wrong. So units should be similar. If they are not similar, make them similar. You know conversion, we have studied it. Okay. So important is quantity should be same. That is length should be compared with length. Weight should be compared with weight. Time should be compared with time. Hour should be compared with hour. Unit should be same. That is kilometer and meter cannot be compared. So you have to compare kilometer with kilometer only. Okay. So then we had exercise 11a, express each in simplest form. So exercise 11a, express each in the simplest form. So 4 is to 6. Simplest form means in lowest form. Simplest form means reduced to lowest form also can be written. Okay. So simplest form or lowest form. So 4 upon 4 is to 6. I can write 4 divided by 6. You know 4 is to 6 means we are comparing ratio. Comparing ratio means we can divide. So 4 upon 6, 2 2s are 2 3s are. While doing it, you should understand that it should be in both the numbers should come in any one table. Then only you can divide them. So 4 and 6 come in 2's table. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2 and 3 further cannot be divided in by any one number. So 2 is to 3 is the ratio. 48 upon 48 is to 54. 48 upon 54. 48 and 54 comes in which table? 6 table. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. So 8 is to 9. Okay. Same way we have seen this also. So here again B1, if you'll see, bring it to lowest form only. So this is in kg, this is in gram. Both are in weight, of course, but kg and gram. So you cannot write directly here. If you'll divide here, it will be wrong. It will give wrong answer. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to convert this kg into grams. So once they become gram, then so you know that one you can cancel them. Okay. So once 5 kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000. So 5 kg is equal to 5000. So 5 kg, 5000 gram, and this was 800 gram already. Gram with gram got cancelled. 0 with 0 got cancelled. Again 0 with 0 got cancelled. And now you tell me 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 50 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 25 is to 4 because 25 and 4 do not come in any one table. Similarly here meter, centimeter. So conversion takes place here, and then you can do the further calculations. We have done it before, just revision is going on. So 30 upon 2, so both one is centimeter, other is meter. So we have converted meter into centimeter. Okay. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So centimeter got cancelled. 0 with 0 get cancelled. 3 is to 20 will be your ratio. Similarly here 1 year equals to 12 months. So 2 years equal to 24. 2 12s are 24. I have written here. So 24 upon 9, months with months gets cancelled. And for the calculations you have to do 3 8s are 3 3s are. So 8 is to 3. Okay. So you can see this. Same way here. Hour, minute, convert hour into minutes. 1 hour equals to 60. So 60 upon 45, minutes will get cancelled. So the 60 and 45 comes in 15 table. Okay, you can 60 and 45 comes in 15 table, so you can do it. Or you, if you don't know 15 table, go with 5. That also is okay. Minute, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, so 4 minutes equals to 4 6 are 24, 240. Seconds get cancelled. Cancel this, divide it and get answer. So 2 1 by 2, 1 integer 1 by 2 is to 2 integer 1 by 2. Step 1, convert in simplest form, that is improper fraction. So 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 upon 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 is 5 upon 2. Divide first term by second term. First term by second term. Okay. So 3 by 2 divided by second term. So last year in fractions we have seen that 3 by 2, this division converts into multiplication, and we have to take reciprocal of 5 by 2. Reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Okay. 2 with 2 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 5. So you get 3 by 5, that is 3 is to 5. Okay. So next is also of same kind. We have done it. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 2 is to 7 by 1. Divide the second term. Take reciprocal. 7 7 gets cancelled. 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 1 is to 2. Okay. So this we'll see in the next video. Up to then, I'll try to give this also extra questions on this. Please go through it. Not today, maybe tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow means I think directly on Monday. All right. So take care. And please don't waste time on WhatsApp and all. Please start studying. Okay. And Tanisha or Tanishka, please, I hope you have started studying, and please don't mind when I say whether you have started studying or not, but please study. Very, very important. 6th standard is very, very important. It is base of almost all the higher classes. Okay, so please don't waste your time and start studying for all these subjects. Thank you.